I heard it's actually good luck to open a 4imprint umbrella indoors.
Hi, welcome to FreshFinds,
where we help you find products that are perfect for your brand. We have 3 items for you today. Jake, what's our first item?
Our first item, we have the 42-inch folding umbrella. This is a really nice umbrella that comes in 14 different colors. It takes a 1-color imprint right on the very front, but if you want more, it can take up to 4 additional colors. For that 1 color, it can be ready in just 3 business days, so pretty quick. But if you're in a bit of a rush, we do have a 24-hour option available.
An umbrella is something that people are going to keep in their car at all times. I know I have this exact umbrella in my trunk just in case. So It's a great way to sort of show off your brand and could maybe save you in a pinch too.
The nice thing with this umbrella also, it has a really lovely wrist strap so you can carry it with ease. And it also has a really nice little carrying pouch it slides right into. So nice, slick, compact little guy. Fits everywhere you go. It's also, if you're looking for a little bit more of a conscientious choice, it is made out of recycled polyester material. So we have you covered on that front as well. Yeah,
it's part of our Better Choices line of items. Cool.
I realized that I was like, ooh, can we say conscientious? And then I was like, no, like me. And then I was like, I was like, I gotta commit to saying it now.
You did it.
Hey, Frankie, what do we have up next?
Well, next we have the Bag Charm Plush. I'm very excited about this giveaway because I just feel like it's kind of different from the things that we typically do on FreshFinds. So these charms, you can get a full color imprint right on the belly of whatever creature you decide, or creatures if you're looking for multiple. These can be printed in 3 business days, so another relatively quick turnaround time. These are also part of our Better Choices line. I work a lot of trade shows for 4imprint, and some of the most popular things that we give away are like little plushies like this because they're easy to fit in someone's carry-on bag. These take up no additional room. And when you're traveling for work, right, you're always looking for something fun to bring back for the children in your life. So I think they're a great option. They're gonna be kind of unique. They're not something that you're gonna see a lot of different brands having at their booth. So I definitely highly recommend the plush bag charms. So the other thing about these, again, they have you can do a full color imprint on the belly, but they also have these really cute embroidered features on them. So on the unicorn, you can see the eyes. This one, you can see like all the face details are embroidered. This is kind of a high quality item. So fun giveaway in that way. They do also have a little lobster claw, so you can stick it on your bag, on your keys, whatever you want, really.
Speaking of amazing products, check out SwaggingRights on our website, a spot where customers share how they use their custom gear.
Get inspired, share your own story, and discover ideas to boost your marketing, giveaways, and events.
Up next, we have a 4imprint exclusive. We have the Etched Pocket Drawstring Sportpack. This sport pack has a heathered front where your logo would go in 1 color. It can be ready as quick as 2 business days. The packs themselves come in 10 different color options, so we have all sorts of branding needs met. They even have this mesh pocket in the front that can fit a water bottle, so get a little hydration, you're on the go. Maybe you're doing a sporting event, or summer's right around the corner, something outdoor like a walk or farmer's market, just something you can keep all of your produce in, keys, wallet. It's just one of those easy little things that can fold up and fit almost anywhere. Cars, purse, backpack. I know I have a glove box full of small reusable bags like this, just for those emergency situations. They just come in handy. These have a great dual draw cord shoulder strap that are super durable.
Another nice feature that these bags have is that they have a dual draw cord shoulder strap. So you can just throw it over your back.
Yeah, good to go. Everything's secured right in here. So again, typically this one, just 2 days before you could have it, excluding the art time. If you're in a rush and need it even quicker, we do have a 24-hour option available.
That's 3 more fresh products for you to help build your brand.
Tune in next time for some more Fresh Finds.